Let me show you in this video how you can get into affiliate marketing even if you are a complete beginner, you don't have a product, and you don't want to work on the tech stuff. Let me show you. These are my affiliate marketing results by promoting a high ticket product. In order to make those commissions, I have a 24/7 sales system that does all the work. And I built that system and I just send traffic to a simple page to collect a name and an email. And once I have that information, the system sends emails automatically to promote my affiliate offers. Basically, I send traffic to a simple page, I collect the email, and then I have a software that sends these emails automatically. And inside of the emails, people are going to find my affiliate links and valuable information. Now, you can build this entire system by yourself, or you can use this brand new software to just copy and paste your affiliate links, and you are going to have all the systems set up. The name of the software is funnelfreedom.io. And in this page, Funnel Freedom, I have copied and pasted my affiliate links for these products. For example, the 72-hour challenge, Freedom Accelerator, Secrets of Success, System.io. I need to put my affiliate links for Legendary Marketer and Wealth Warriors. So these two are high ticket products. And as you can see in the screen, with this software, I'm promoting all of these products. And I'm using a free course as a lead magnet. A lead magnet is something that you give in exchange for the email. And this free course has been created for Jonathan Montoya, who is the creator of this software. So the free course has 7 modules. And as an affiliate, we can give away this free course in exchange for the email. And I think that this is going to be a great opportunity for affiliate marketers to promote multiple affiliate offers. And I have been testing the software, and in less than 30 days, I got my first commission. That means that the system is working. Jonathan is going to launch this tool on November 17th. And if you want to get access to the wait list, I'm going to put a link in the description. Also, if you want to get access to the free course, I'm going to put another link in the description as well. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments, like and subscribe, and God bless.